back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com. Today I have another amazing software from Daniel Adetunji, and this one is called Lento. And Lento is a new application that creates eLearning-like websites and fill them with AI-generated courses, resulting in commissions daily up to $334. And you don't need any researching without creating any courses yourself, and it works in any niche, and also you don't need any ads whatsoever. And of course, this will be built for you in a matter of minutes with this application. It's a groundbreaking application that is infused with ChatGPT, powered with ChatGPT to actually create courses on any subject or on any keyword you want, depending on the strategy and the solution you want to provide. This very application will give you access to create it in a matter of seconds, and you'll be able to begin to have websites that are going to be also created by this very application to actually help you, do these courses online and sell them. It's one of the most profitable, amazing ways of making money online, and you can always do other things like CPA offers and the rest of the banners and all that, and make money with affiliate marketing. Okay, it's an amazing one. At any time you decide to buy this product, I will leave the first link below in my description as the link that will take you to my amazing bonus page. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. And now let us see exactly the very close of mind where you are going to come exactly when you purchase this product by hitting that first link in my description. It will bring you to this page. Grab a copy using this or any of the other yellow links scattered all over this page, and when you click any of them, it will take you to the very sales page where you are going to pick up a copy using this very link below, which I'm going to show you. This very link, when you do, a copy of this will be for you. If you stick with me, I will show you also the very software itself, the dashboard area, and play the video of this very product in action so that you see exactly what you have here, and I'll also show you the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you, including the pricing that I have for you, and also a second page of bonus that is going to come to you by email, which is exactly this, filled to the brain with a lot of products, e-courses and training and everything that will help you make money online and also learn how to build your email marketing lists. Now let us dive into the very sales page properly and see exactly what you have as benefit with this one. With this very product, you can start today to own your own e-learning business in a matter of minutes, and you also accept payment directly through your website, and you can also let the AI build eLearning-like websites that you can sell as courses to others, and you integrate your favorite Autoresponder and collect hot leads like Aweber, MailChimp, and the rest of them. GetResponse, these are all platforms where you can auto-respond your mail sequence in order to sell and make more money on demand. You also generate smoke hot traffic with just one click, and you start your own AI-powered business today. So easy, anyone can do it. You generate sales pages and VSL for your courses. You can create sales pages and sales video with this very application as well, and you have 30-day money back guarantee. It is loaded, the sales pages, highly loaded with information that will blow your mind. All you do is to use the first link below in my description area, pick up a copy of Lento, and then of course that's you should do the step 1. Step 2, you select any niche or keyword you desire and let the AI do the rest of the job for you. And step 3, Lento will create strong and operational eLearning courses and start promoting it on your own for yourself, okay, or you promote it on your own and it promotes it also on your own behalf. And step 4, you just relax and make money by selling courses. Okay, now these are some of the things you're going to, and it helps you with configuration of automation, so that you can automate the whole business and leave it there, so that when you are sleeping, when you are playing your hobby, your business is on the line, everything is automated, and it has the ability to build you a funnel, because without funnel it will be very difficult to make the kind of money that will change your life online, and you don't have to pay for traffic anymore because it has a magnet. The courses are actually magnets on themselves, because they will magnet and attract people to actually patronize you with these courses. That's why I love this very one. Okay, it's an amazing one, and here you can listen to the testimony of this guy who is testifying to Lento as a beta tester, and you have all these other testimonials you can read at your disposal, and you'll be able to see exactly how you can make this one work for you, because the AI that is encrypted in this is going to help you do the job or you do, and it has a lot of upsells and incentives and further benefits that you can gain when you go to the pricing, so that you see exactly what you have there. Okay, but for now, I believe we are going to leave the rest of the review of the sales page to you, so that we have time to do the other things that we have on this one. Now let me show you the very members area, the software itself. This is the dashboard. Here you have the domain where you can create buy your domain of a website, and you have your course manager, you have your course category, PDF creator, open AI setting, you have sales reports, payout settings, and message blogs, and manage your profile. Everything is here. Number of courses already from demonstration. You have pending balance, number of enrollment. This is for demonstration purposes. Now let us actually play the video proper, so that you see exactly how this one works in action, and we'll come back to review the boxes that I have for you and the rest of the review. Okay. my channel, this is your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com. Now, this is exactly the my bonus page. At any point you click that very link, like I told you before, it will bring you to this bonus page where you click any of these links to get a copy that will be yours by going to the sales page where you pick up a copy of this. Okay, now this is going to be the pricing for this very product. The front end goes for $16.99 and it has eLearning Upsell for $9.95. It has the unlimited version as the OTO number 1. It goes for downsell of $47. You have the done for you version, which is the OTO number 2, which is $97. Everything is basically done for you. And you have another upsell, which is the automation, which goes for $47. They are going to be able to automate your business and you will make money whenever you are sleeping, whatever you are doing, you are making. Even if you are working 9 to 5 with this setup and all the funnels arranged, everything integrated, definitely you'll be making money while you are lounging around doing what you love to do. Okay, now the OTO number 4 will be limitless traffic edition. It goes for $67. Number 5 is revenue agency, goes for $47. You have franchise edition, goes for $67, which is the OTO number 6. You have OTO number 7, cost ninja training, goes for $17. You have also done for you blocks with white label. This one goes for $47. And you have also the OTO number 9, the white label itself, which means you can rebrand this product and put your name, change the logo, whatever you want, and launch it as if it's your own. Okay, and even sell it to others as your own. And you have 30-day money back guarantee on this one. Now let us see briefly the bonuses that I have for you. The first page of bonus goes like this: how to rank any site on page number 1 in Google. When these sites that are created that are really like in nature to sell your courses, you are going to be able to rank them using this amazing bonus, premium bonus form, which is a training that's going to teach you how to rank your listing using the SEOs and all the backlinks you need. Everything will be taught you in this one. Bonus number 2 will be daily profit success, which is a training course on how you can make money daily with different strategies. We also have the bonus number 3, which is the tutorial that's going to teach you how to create a full professional website from scratch in 25 minutes, which you can sell on Fiverr or anywhere. And then of course you have also the product form that has 17 amazing bonuses in one, which means you are able to have training courses, have of course softwares and ebooks and the rest of them that are going to help you make money online. You have also monetization strategies. 3 of them with this tutorial. You'll be able to have the strategies you need to actually implement whatever else you create with this application and have it out there. Not only ranked, you have the strategies to actually monetize them, because the end product is how to monetize your services and be able to make money online. I believe that is the idea, which is exactly why we are all here. Okay, now at any point you pick up this product using this link, it will give you access to my WordPress account where you buy. After your purchase, under your purchase history, you will find a page that looks like this. This one gives you access to Lento, and here you have this one giving you access to these amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you. Now we are going to briefly see the very second page of bonus that I have for you, which will be sent to you by email if you purchase using my link. And you have 10 of them. The ultimate multi-level marketing secrets, list building expert. Number 2, internet marketing fast track, affiliate marketing secrets, 30 days to bigger email list ebook. You have chatbot marketing mastery. You have build the perfect sales funnel, login for profit, and email list building blueprint. You have also the copywriting crackdown. These are amazing, enormous bonuses for you. Okay, and with that, we will definitely come gradually to the end of this very review. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you at this point to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. This is really going to help my algorithm to actually make me, let others watch this film, this very video when you actually like them and subscribe. It will be very much appreciated. I'll come back to you in my next review. Till then, I remain your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here and from me. From here, it's goodbye.